Hi, today I'm excited to introduce my new ebook, The Practical RVer, now available on Amazon. Whether you're a newbie or seasoned RVer, this book has everything you need to make the most out of your RV adventures. The Practical RVer goes beyond basic. I dive into safety, trip planning, campground etiquette, essential gear, especially if you're going to go boondocking, setting up a mobile workspace, internet connectivity, mail management, basically how to receive mail and packages on the go. It's navigating health insurance across the different states, pet care, how to travel safely with pets and adhere to the rules of campgrounds and RV parks, budgeting, managing expenses wisely to sustain your RV lifestyle, and much more. So head to the comments or description below and grab your copy of the Practical RVer book today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more RVing tips. I really would appreciate it.